Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 2 of these palette pieces from Dollar Tree. I'm taking Moss Colored Chalk Paint by Waverly and covering both of them completely. Next, I am taking Barcelona Beige Chalk Paint and I'm painting this Happy Fall sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. And next I take the 2 pieces of palette wood and hot glue them together. They're hot glued with the backs facing each other. And then I'm taking tacky glue and brushing that on my Happy Fall wording. Once I have the back of that with the tacky glue on it, I place it down onto the palette wood. And I use my heating tool to dry that glue and make sure it was fully adhered. And then on the top, where the 2 meet, I am placing some hot glue down and putting in some Spanish moss. And then trim up the excess. And then I had got this fall pick from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut pieces of it off and I'm hot gluing that to either side of the moss. And the last thing I do is take this stem piece and hot glue that to the top of the florals. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.